Hey everyone, for this Pet Week craft, we're gonna make our own pet bird. So all you need is a little plate. If you don't have a plate, you can trace around a bowl or anything that you have to make a circle. You need some feathers, a little bit of paper for your beak, scissors, glue, and you can use paint or markers. I'm going to go with a marker to keep things nice and simple. All right, first take your plate, regular side up, and we're going to fold it in half. It's a little tricky when it's a heavier material. So make sure that you pinch it along the top. You get a nice half circle. And this is the body of your bird, and it can rock back and forth. Now it's time to paint or color in your bird's body. I'm going to do purple. Go for whatever you like. I opened the plate back up so that I can color it in a little bit easier so it's flat on my surface. And also, I want to make sure that I color this side. Okay, now that I have finished coloring the plate, I'm going to fold it back in half. And I'm going to decide how I want to put these feathers on to make a tail. I'm going to grab my glue stick and glue on the back of my bird. And stick them on. To take your beak color, we're going to draw a nice triangle. 1, 2, 3. We're going to cut that out. And add some glue to the front of my bird and stick the beak on. Have a marker or a pen or paint. So I'm going to draw on a nice big eye. I have my favorite white pen marker. And now you have a little pet bird. Have fun.